On the aspect of personal classroom management, which factor greatly affects the rate of learning or the speed of absorption of knowledge among students? Would this be letter A, use of visual aids? Letter B, voice delivery and clarity of the teacher? Letter C, manner of presentation of information? Letter D, difficulty in lesson content? Of course, no? As you can see, very obvious, that would be letter B. Ayan na po, on the aspect of personal. Paano minamanage ng isang tao ang classroom niya? Personal classroom management. Of course, the teacher is the best visual aid. Okay, so again, remember, no, your teacher is the best visual aid. Walang panama yung visual aid mo, yung presentation mo, yung lesson content mo sa guro. Sino ba yung gagawa ng lahat ng yan? Gagawa ng visual aids, ang presentation, lesson content, guro pa rin naman. Okay? So letter B po, ang ating tumpak na choice, personal classroom management. Okay? So letter B, ang ating pugtumpak na choice for this item.